Yesterday, I decided to revisit FreeCAD to refresh my skills. Almost immediately, I remembered exactly why I left. I have grown too accustomed to 3D Studio Max viewport navigation. I even reconfigured Blender to match it, and that single change made my transition seamless. That was 8 years ago. It would be a shame to avoid FreeCAD entirely because of this one limitation. It is genuinely excellent software. Good thing FreeCAD is open source. Guess it's time to dive into the code. The code base is remarkably well organized. The elegant file placement almost invites modification. It looks like I only need a C++ file and a header file to get things started. Since I'm totally out of my depth, my entire strategy is just looking at how existing navigation modules work and hacking them together for my own needs. Fortunately, FreeCAD provides detailed instructions for compiling the binary yourself. I'm grateful for that. Time to prepare and align the files for compilation. Success! 0 errors. Now comes the moment of truth. Time to compile. Time to test it. FreeCAD opens, and it now features 3D Studio Max viewport navigation. I have uploaded the 2 source code files, so you can build this feature yourself. The code might contain minor flaws or redundancies. It works exactly how I need it to, but please feel free to improve and streamline it. If you prefer a ready-to-use binary, the entire portable program is nearly 1 GB. I do not want to host a file that large on GitHub, especially since this is not my original project. It feels a bit unconventional. I will post it to the FreeCAD forum and let the community decide. I will update the video description with the final decision. This is bracercom, signing off.